Hello folks, and I'm going to try brussup's technique on building this Rubik's Cube. I mean, solving it in 2 moves, so I'm going to try it. So, yeah. Oops, wrong move. I think I've done something wrong with this thing. Oh, got it. See, I built it. So actually, there's a secret on it. So when you buy a Rubik's Cube and you got the solve already, so how did brussup do that? Well, why, it's in the playlist fake videos. So here's how. So it's actually, so he turned it this way, but yeah, so he said any position, so yeah. So you could, to do that on just 2 moves, you do it like this. There's to unsolve it. So it should be this way. So put this down and do the opposite down like that. So you can do the trick he did. I do this several times, like when I'm playing something or I'm not looking at it and then building it. I mean solving it. It depends on how many turns you do on solving it. So solve it. I'm going to solve it. And I bought a Rubik's Cube that is not so too much strength on turning it and easy to turn. Why this thing is still not getting me? Okay, there it is. So yeah, I did the brussup's technique on building, but it's actually fake. Like he just made something very funny on it. But actually, he actually knows how to build a Rubik's Cube. He just like do funny stuff, maybe. I don't know. So yeah, that's it. Bye. Please subscribe.